This video will be the requirement video. In this video I am going to tell you about the requirements that this project needs. I will first of all you need to download the Python in your systems, so you can download it from python.org in download sections for Windows or whichever operating system you are using. So I will show you for the Windows. You can go to Windows and download the stable version of Python here. Download the executable installer and just download it and run it on your system. Python will be get installed. So how you can check the Python is installed or not? Go to your command prompt and just type Python here. Make sure your command prompt is in your base folder. So as you can see here, my Python version is 3.7.6 from 8 January 2020. Actually the Anaconda, my environment is Anaconda here, so it will show some warning like this. If you are not if you are not in Anaconda environment, you are good to go. There are some problems if our Python is in Anaconda environment. I will show you later in this video. So let's check if our Python works properly or not. Just type a simple program here and let's check it. Yes, you can see here hello is printed. So yes, we are good to go for Python. So when Python is installed, you need to install Django, as well as you need to create a virtual environment. So here let's get started to our course. Let's create a folder where we will store our project. So I will name it as YT projects. In YT projects I will create a online shop here. Make sure you don't give spaces in between the words of names of any folder or something. You will get error in this while executing. So first you have created. Now navigate through this folder. You can go to direct command prompt, as well as you can go direct to your folder and just type cmd here. You will get on in this file. So first thing we need to do is to install the to start a virtual environment. How we can do it? If you are not familiar with the virtual environment, I will explain you a little bit here. So what virtual environment and why we should use it? So for a particular project we are using the particular version of Python as well as Django. You can see any type of language, the version of language. If that after 1 year or 2 years that version gets out of date, or we can see it get some like not get supported anymore, then we can have troubles in our projects. For reducing that risk, we should use the virtual environment. So what is virtual environment actually? We can, like, this will be the we can say it, this will be the this big square will be the our can be our like we can say system, and the virtual environment will store the particular version of that software will be get stored in that virtual environment. And when after some days, when we are going to install that project, we will get the knowledge of about the versions of that software we will require to execute that software properly. So yes, now we will go to our project and let's get started. So we are in our online shop folder. So how we can do it? We can do it using pip install virtual env. Virtual and env is connected word. You can hit enter. So virtual environment will get installed. My virtual environment is all first requirement is already satisfied, is already satisfied, so it will not give me anything. So you can do it with this command. And after to start a virtual environment in our project, I will show you the live demo of it. You can okay, so wait a minute. Yes, this folder is right now empty, and as we are going to execute our command, the command will be pip sorry virtual virtual env, and the name for our virtual environment will be env. Then it will get I will show you, it will get executed. So yes, you can see here the file name, our environment name, but there will be a problem, the warning here, the file not found. My Python is in conda environment, so it will give me some errors. You can see the script folder is empty here, so it will not help us to do anything. So how we can solve this? We can use another command, which is python venv. So first of all, your PC should have virtual environment installed in it. So this will be the base step to install the start the virtual environment. You should first install the virtual env. So env. Okay, so you can see here now env. Wait a minute, this is running. We should give time to our computer to execute. So yes, you can see the environment here. Now if we go in script, you can see something is in it. We will see what is it in here, but as you can see the difference between the two commands. So now to activate the virtual environment, now you just need to go to that script folder. So how you can go in it? So go to your environment folder, go to scripts and activate the scripts. Now you can see the name of your environment here, virtual environment here. So this is how we can use or create the virtual environment in your project. So in the next video, we are going to see how we can start the project in actual Django, or how we can install the Django in it in the virtual environment. So for this video, this will be it. Thank you.